Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are taking Makhraj of Ta, Daal Taa. How to pronounce Ta, Daal Taa correctly. Which part of the mouth should be engaged to pronounce these three letters very correctly. So why we are taking these three together? Because they share the same makhraj. They share the same place to pronounce them. Okay, so what are two things engaged to pronounce ta, dal, and to? Top first, the top of the tongue, top top of the tongue touching the gum line of the upper two teeth. The first thing is top of the tongue, top of the tip of the tongue. Subhanallah. I missed something. This is what I was thinking about. Top of the tip of the tongue. Top of the tip of the tongue. Tip of the tongue. So you are using, yeah, this I always give you clue that just try to first figure out what is that part. Top of the tip of the tongue, like you use the tip of your tongue and the upper part of that place. Yeah, can you understand? Yes, top of the tip of the tongue, this is the first thing. And the touching what? Touching the gum line of the upper two teeth. And what is gum line? Gum line, when we say gum line, one thing is gum, and the gum line is when you are touching a bit of your teeth too, the inside of your teeth too. So along with the gum, you are engaging a little bit of your teeth too. So the top of the tongue touching and top of the tip of the tongue touching the gum line. I'm not saying just gum, a gum line when you are using the gum and the little bit of the inner place of the teeth too for the upper two teeth. Okay, so this is the Makhraj of Ta. So the exercise will be, sorry, Ta, Ti, Ti, Tu. The long vowel will be ta, ti, tu. Sorry, tu. And it's a cone. It will be at. Sorry, at. Yeah. So can you feel the makhraj? You should engage the correct makhraj, correct pronunciation. So you can say ta very correctly. Ta, ti, tu. Ta, ti, tu, at. And for dal, it will be da, di, do. Da, di, da, di, do. And with sukoon, it'll be ad. It is kalkala. Yes, you are going to know after some time. It's not required to discuss it right now, but inshallah we'll learn what kalkala is in inshallah near future. So da, di, do, da, di, do, ad. And with Ta, Ta is a heavy letter. So what we will do, we will put capital H at the top. Okay, it's heavy. This is the abbreviation for the heavy letter. Ta, Ti, Tu. Sorry, it will be Ta, long vowel Ta, will be Ti, and Tu. Sorry, it's very messed up. Tu. And with second, it will be Ato. Ato. It has kalkala too. It is heavy too. Ato. To. Tui. Tu. To. Tui. Tu. Ato. Again. To. Tui. Tu. Remember, this makhraj is same. You are using the tip of the top of the tip of the tongue, touching the gum line of the upper two teeth. To. Tui. Tu. To. Tui. Tu. Ato. Again. Ta. Ta is light letter. Ta. Ti. Tu. Ta. Ti. Tu. Ats. Da. Di. Du. Da. Di. Du. Ade. To. Ti. Tu. To. Ti. Tu. Ato. جزاك الله خير. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.